Now the future is within reach. The first model of the fully electric ID family hits the road in South Africa. It's still in disguise, but already hinting on its ability. In a word, it's fantastic. You get in, step on the brake, put it in drive, and take off. It's great. I like driving on electric power. Back in 2016, Volkswagen had presented the ID as a concept car. In 2019, the production model will celebrate its world premiere. The ID will go on sale in 2020. We are very proud. It's the same every time. If you work very hard on something for 2 or 3 years, and then the time comes and the prototypes are there, that's a big moment for a developer. Now we are a step further. Today we did the first covered drive and allowed selected experts to drive the car. That was an even prouder moment, getting their encouraging and positive feedback. That's a good start. It's the impetus we're providing for Volkswagen's electric car offensive. It's the first car to be built on the MEB platform, completely new. The whole world is waiting for it with bated breath. Insofar, it's the kickoff of the greatest volume offensive at Volkswagen, and it's enormously important. The ID is based on the new MEB, the modular electric platform, aimed at making electromobility affordable to millions of buyers. The ID guarantees driving fun with the acceleration inherent to electric vehicles. The MEB platform achieves ranges from 330 to more than 550 kilometers, according to the WLTP standard. The entry-level price will be comparable to that of a Golf diesel, in order to make the purchase easier for future customers.
Das Fahrzeug ist ja nicht nur ein reines Elektrofahrzeug.
It's not only a fully electric car, it's also fully connected. It's always on and offers its owner a host of useful and practical services.
Die er praktisch online nutzen kann.
The covered drive in South Africa kicked off the decisive phase, culminating in the start of production in Zwickau in 2019. Expectations in the ID are high. For the first time, Volkswagen will offer its customers the ability to pre-order the car. With its market launch in 2020, the ID will start Volkswagen's electric car offensive, and with it, a new era.